Within the state of Iowa, there are many different energy plants that are used for many different things. The first one being ethanol plants. Ethanol plants can produce up to 4.7 million of Iowa's gases per year. The ethanol plants are produced by different organic materials such as corn, things in that category. The ethanol plants are known to be a renewable energy source, so it's clean and safe for the environment, and it's used in like vehicles, things like that. The ethanol is mixed with gasoline, so it becomes more environmentally safe. With them doing this, with it mixing with the gasoline, it causes less greenhouse emissions to go into the air, causing less harm to the ecosystem. Ethanol plants are also known to be biodegradable, so this causes less contamination to the environment, making it more clean and safe. There are also some social concerns associated with ethanol plants, one being health impacts and concerns. But the emissions being released, since not all emissions are decreased, it can cause respiratory issues within humans, animals, the ecosystem, things like that. The next energy plant within Iowa is wind. Wind produces 2/3 of energy within Iowa. Wind is also a renewable energy source. It's mostly used in rural areas, open landscapes, things like that. It's used in these areas because normally they're wind farms, and on these wind farms are wind turbines, and the wind turbines take in the wind energy and they're able to transform it into electricity. Wind farms produce less greenhouse gases that are released into the air, so it's a lot more environmentally safe for the ecosystem to use wind. The only downfall is that wind farms use a lot of land, which can cause harm to like the local ecosystems, wildlife habitats, things in that nature. And then there also are some social concerns with the wind farms. It can cause health issues such as headaches, stress for any nearby communities as they produce some sound and things like that. And then a last energy plant from Iowa is natural gases. The natural gases in Iowa is the least used energy source within the state. So an example of natural gases would be like the pipeline systems that run out throughout the state. Natural gases are like transported within the pipelines, and it's used mainly for like different heating purposes. Natural gases do release CO2 into the air, causing pollutions, which we all know is the leading cause of climate change. Natural gases also use a lot of land, so this causes different habitat destructions, ecosystem disturbances, things in that nature. And then it also causes different health impacts, like there's respiratory issues from the pollution and things in that nature. And then I believe that Iowa can better utilize their resources by putting in more money and research to like look further into these things. I feel like maybe they can research more and be able to completely narrow down and decrease their carbon footprint and be able to help the ecosystem environmental in a more positive way.